Hello, hi, how are you all doing, guys? Let's start with a Nykaa haul, ignoring the mess. Okay, पहले तो मैं आपको boxes दिखा देती हूँ. These are all of the boxes. Okay, आधे products तो आए भी नहीं है तो I got good discounts. तो जो necessity के stuffs थे I've got those and other random things in what I got 50% off जिसमें मुझे almost 50% off products मिले. Okay, so firstly is something that I always purchase from Nykaa is all of this pads. तो ये combo में आते हैं where you get like this much. If you buy this much now, then you get like free pads like this. I got for free, and there is also one more. Let me show you. Huh. So after purchasing this many, this and this is what I got for free. Can you see? So it was a good day. Something around 500 में इतना सब मेरे को आ गया था. So that is something great because I use that brand का only. तो mostly अगर discount में आ जाते हैं and you get such a good combos, then why not? Okay. Coming to some body stuff, I got this Nykaa Rose body wash. इसके साथ मैंने और एक मंगाया है, but it came like थोड़ा open था, seal नहीं था, तो I just did replacement. अभी वो लोग replacement भी लेते हैं. That's amazing. तो that was the Paris one. Even this is amazing rose का. The smell is very good. Two micellar waters, one from Garnier, just a refill. I like this a lot for my like clients and all. Micellar, this is something तो मैं अभी first time try करने वाली हूँ. Lacto calamine micellar water. Let's see, quantity छोटा है but I got it for good discount. उसके बाद I got Nykaa का two new launches. That is their milky toner. It has rice water and glycolic, and the other one is rose water, which has hyaluronic. I have tried both of them, and both of them is really like feels fresh and all. This I got for like refreshment, and this I got for hydration. Let's see. थोड़ा थोड़ा use किया, it feels nice. इतना ज़्यादा idea नहीं है अभी तक. थोड़ा try करने के बाद if you want me to review it मुझे बता देना. Okay, and then I got some products from Moody. So I got this rice water mist. Okay, उसके साथ I got a perfume set that has 4 perfume का set. तो वो तो एक टूटा हुआ आया था and I went for replacement, so that is gone for replacement. So this was again a mist. It has rice water. So nowadays I'm going for a lot of mist for my clients and myself also. This smells really nice. If you are sensitive, don't go for it because it's fragrance है. And उसके साथ I got some free stuff. These are the free things of Moody पे offer that if you purchase are around 300-350. You're going to get their two bestseller free. That is their Hydro Boost moisturizer and the same range का mist. Both of them are very nice. So I think offer अभी भी चल रहा है, so you can go and check it out. Okay, the big box is ना, तो इतना बड़ा box mostly is because of the sanitary pads. Okay. Okay, then I got lotions. Now this lotions was for 50% off. Nivea ka coco lotion. I also got one from Vaseline. Let me show you. Here, I've kept it in, so I'm using it. So this was for like 50% off. This was the MRP was around 685. I got it for 200, and even this was for something 200 because of so much of complete 50% off for the sale. Then I got one of the best moisturizer that I use on my client, Cetaphil ka daily lotion. Now for ये first time ऐसे वे इस way में आया है, that is like a click on like press on है, तो it comes in that tube form, then it's not good that way. So this is very nice. Cetaphil का daily hydrating lotion. If you have sensitive skin issues है skin when पे, go for this moisturizer. कुछ भी बहुत ज़्यादा suitable है for all skin types. ठीक है. Then one more mist. As I told you, I'm trying a lot of mist for my clients and myself. This is the Pilgrim का White Lotus Natural Face Mist. Now this is something जो मैंने बहुत लोगों के reviews देखने के बाद लिए थे. Even this was for like very good discount. MRP 300 रुपये, but it came for 125 something. So that is why I took it. Now before doing makeup and all, अच्छा खासा hydration skin में होता है ना, तो makeup lays down बहुत अच्छे से. इसीलिए मैंने इतने सारे mist purchase किए. Okay. Then I got one highlighter. This was again for 50% off on Nykaa Forever 52 का products. So अगर आप professionally makeup करते हो तो आपको पता है Makeup Forever 52 कितना एक बहुत नामचीन एक brand is very nice. So this is a highlighter in the shade Shallow 402. Golden color का है and this is so good. Now this was for 50% off. I'll show you. This is very pigmented, so you can use this as a eyeshadow or also like a eyeshadow and sorry highlighter. This is actually a highlighter but color ऐसा है ना कि आप उसको बहुत ways में use कर सकते हैं. I hope you can see. Yo. Okay, it's very very nice. This is one thing I got for makeup. Then एक नया product मैंने बहुत reviews में देखे थे, Glam Veda का. This is a peel off mask rice water, मतलब with rice water. This is for that glass skin effect. So it's a peel off mask, you put it on your skin और उसको dry करने के बाद you just peel it off, so your skin gets like that Korean skin. That is what they claim. So let's see, this smells a lot, so I'll just try and see how it works. If the result is nice, then I think if you're not sensitive skin, then you can use it. Okay, so let me use it first, then I can give you my review. Okay. Okay, then I got this Bronson ka this much set of, I guess this is 10 or 12 set of razors. Now I use mostly Venus ka razor for my legs and all, but I wanted to go for more cheaper because usko fir you have to just keep on changing the blades. Now this is like you can use this for like 2-3 times and just throw it away. This was not expensive, 325 MRP, but I got it for 120 something. So it is a lot of good quantity. Bronson is a very good brand. Like I say, वो लोग अच्छे खासे accessories, appliances बनाते हैं. उनके brushes भी मेरे पास है, makeup some brushes. Then I also got the beauty blender. Now this I have kept in my makeup pouch, so I don't have it here, but it is very nice. So अगर आपको अच्छा खासे range में, कम range में अच्छा blender चाहिए ना, it's very nice. You can actually test and try this blender. It's very nice. Then I got 2 minimalist का serum. I love minimalist skincare and mostly I use their serums on a daily basis. Vitamin C, niacinamide and salicylic is the only thing that I use constantly. तो अभी फिलहाल मेरे पास salicylic acid. So I get this 10 ml because ये भी आपको अच्छा खासा 1.5 महीने तक चल जाता है. This is how much the quantity looks, but ये बहुत long lasting. It will last you for really good time. So salicylic acid I use it in the night, and then niacinamide or vitamin C I use it in the day. Okay, so if you want to invest in good skincare, affordable, minimalist is best. Okay, so थोड़े products और आने बाकी है. So yeah, थोड़े 1-2 products are still yet to come, but I think that is not much necessary. इतना ज़्यादा ही मेरे को, I'm like, I'll just show you guys. The sale is still on. The sale keeps on fluctuating. So if you like some specific products now, so put it in your wish list. मैंने और 3 चीज़ें मंगाए थे from वॉन्डरलस्ट ऑफ नायका का. ये जो वॉन्डरलस्ट का सीरीज़ है ना, इसमें उनका जो चेरी ब्लॉसम का रेंज, आई लव दैट सो मच. सो दे हैव दिस होल कॉम्बो वे यू गेट बॉडी मिस्ट, बॉडी वॉश एंड बॉडी लोशन. सो आई गॉट ऑल ऑफ द 3 एंड आई गॉट इट फॉर समथिंग 700. तो इट इज स्टिल ऑन द वे टू कम. सो आई एम लाइक, आई विल नॉट वेट उस टाइम तक, आई जस्ट मेक अ रिव्यू. Okay, so I'm not in my studio, I'm in my room, so hence the mess. But anyways, I hope you liked my video. Make sure that you give me a like button, and yes, if you have any recommendations or any thoughts, definitely put it in the comments. And yes, I will see you in my next video, guys. Till then, take care, bye bye.